Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I will discuss third part of the series 300 most expected cytology MCQs. I have tried to cover each and every question that was asked in different competitive exams in previous years. So these are most expected to be asked in your exams too. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest information about the videos uploaded. Let's start. Which one of the following is nullisomic? As we know, in nullisomic, a loss of a pair of homologous chromosome from a diploid cell occurs and it is represented by 2n minus 2. A loss of a pair of homologous chromosome from a diploid cell. This is known as nullisomics. A loss of a homologous chromosome from a diploid set. Here it will be called monosomic, as there is a loss of a single chromosome, not a set of chromosome, and it will be represented by 2n minus 1. The chromosome number in tetrasomics is tetrasomic is a type of aneuploidy where there is a gain of extra 2 chromosomes of the same type and it is represented by 2n plus 2. Which one of the following is a trisomic? Trisomic is also a type of aneuploidy where there is a gain of 1 extra chromosome and it is represented by 2n plus 1. The Davison-Daniel model is proposed to explain the structure of. It was proposed to explain the structure of plasma membrane by Davison and Daniel in year 1935. This model describes a phospholipid bilayer that lies between two layers of globular proteins and it is trilamellar and lipoproteinaceous. Repeated chromatid replication and non-segregation of daughter chromatids leads to the formation of. When chromatid replication is repeated and non-segregation of daughter chromatids happens, it leads to the formation of polytene chromosomes. Chromatids jointed together by duplicated but unseparated centromere are called. These are called as sister chromatids. When the chromatids are jointed by duplicated but unseparated centromere, these are called as the sister chromatids. Tonoplast is a membrane which surrounds. Tonoplast is the name given to the membrane that surrounds the vacuole. Which one of the following has the smallest chromosome number? Smallest chromosome number is present in Haplopappus gracilis and it is a dicot plant and its haploid number is 2. N is equal to 2. The smallest chromosome number in algae is seen in. In case of algae, the smallest chromosome number is present in Spirogyra ovalis. In plants, largest chromosome number is seen in. In case of plants, the largest chromosome number is seen is Ophioglossum reticulatum. Their diploid chromosome number is 1440, that means 720 pairs of chromosomes. So the largest number of chromosomes are found in Ophioglossum reticulatum. It is also known as adder's tongue fern. In angiosperms, largest chromosome number is met within. In case of angiosperm, largest chromosome number is present in Poa literosa of family Poaceae. Which one of the following has the smallest chromosome number? Among these, smallest chromosome number is present in Colpodium versicolor. It also belongs to family Poaceae and its haploid chromosome number is 2. Which one of the following has the smallest chromosome number? Among these, Brachyscome lineariloba is having the smallest number of chromosome, that is N is equal to 2. It belongs to family Astraceae. Which one of the following cell organelle is stained with Janus green? Janus green is used to stain mitochondria. Spindle fibers are made up of tubulin. Polyploidy can be induced with the help of colchicine. Match the list 1 scientist with list 2 theories and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In list 1, name of scientists are given, and in list 2, their respective theories are given. We have to match them correctly. So Thorne and Boveri, they gave chromosome theory of inheritance. Beadle and Tatum, they proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. Schleiden and Chavan, they proposed cell theory. Jacob and Monod, they provide Lac-Operon model of gene regulation. So the correct option among these is option B. In which of the following endosperm cell contains 6 chromosomes? As endosperm is a diploid structure, and in Haplopappus gracilis, haploid number is 2, that means n is equal to 2. Therefore, in endosperm cell of Haplopappus gracilis, the chromosome number will be 6. In which one of the following endosperm cell contains 6 chromosomes? Same question is this, but options are different. As we know, in Colpodium versicolor also the haploid number is 2. Therefore, its endosperm will contain 6 chromosomes. In which of the following endosperm cell contains 6 chromosomes? In Brachyscome lineareloba, also the chromosome number will be 6 in endosperm cell. Regarding mitosis and cytokinesis, one difference between higher plants and animals is that in plants the cell plate begins to form at telophase, whereas in animals a cleavage furrow is initiated at this stage. In case of plant cells, a cell plate begins to form at telophase, and in animal cells a furrow is initiated in this stage. The diploid chromosome number of Haplopappus gracilis is, as its haploid number is 2, therefore its diploid chromosome number will be 4. Which one of the following cell organelle is rich in the hydrolytic enzymes? Among these, lysosomes are rich in hydrolytic enzymes. Which one of the following are suicidal bags in cell? In cell, suicidal bags is the name that is given to lysosomes. During meiosis, synapsis occurs in zygotine phase of meiosis. Phycobilins are present in the thylakoids, and phycobilins are the group of red or blue-green photosynthetic pigments that are present in some algae. The largest organelle in eukaryotic cell, the largest organelle is the nucleus in eukaryotic cell. Lamprecht chromosomes are present in. These are present in Drosophila. Unit membrane concept was proposed by. Robertson for the plasma membrane, and he gave this concept in year 1959. Which one of the following is a prokaryote? Blue-green algae or the cyanobacteria is known as prokaryotes. Fulgen stain technique is used to stain. This technique is used to stain the nucleus of the cell. A single mitochondrion is found in. In Microsterias, single mitochondrion is found. The cell wall of prokaryotes has. In cell wall of prokaryotes, muramic acid is present. Which one of the following is concerned with secretory activities? Here, Golgi complex is concerned with the secretory activities of the cell. A map showing the chromosomes of a species is called the ideogram. An ideogram indicates the number of chromosomes and their lengths, arm length ratio, centromere position, banding pattern, etc. Ideograms are also known as the karyogram. Polyphage with single-stranded DNA is, polyphage that is having the single-stranded DNA is 5x174. Which cytoskeletal fibrils are the major structural components of spindle fibers? Microtubules are the cytoskeletal fibers that are the major structural components of the spindle fibers. DNA replication and synthesis of histones takes place in the S phase, that is the synthesis phase of cell cycle. An organelle present in plant cell but missing from animal cell is, these are the plastids that are present only in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Structure formed by cell fractionation and centrifugation is called. After the cell fractionation and centrifugation, a structure is formed that is known as microsome. Ingestion of microorganisms or any particulate material by a cell is known as phagocytosis. An example for the single membrane bound cell organelle is, among these glyoxysome is the single membrane bound cell organelle. Glyoxysomes are specialized peroxisomes that are found in plants and also in some filamentous fungi. Glyoxysomes contain key enzymes for the glyoxylate cycle. In a DNA, the percentage of adenine is 31.2. What is the approximate mole of cytosine? As we know, the percentage of adenine is equal to the percentage of cytosine. So if the percentage of adenine is 31.2, then the percentage of thymine will be also 31.2, and when we add the percentage of adenine and thymine, it accounts for 62.4%, and out of 100, when we minus 62.4%, the rest of the percentage will be of cytosine and guanine. When we minus 62.4% out of 100%, the answer will be 37.6%, and that will be the concentration of both cytosine and guanine. To find the percentage of cytosine, we have to divide 37.6% with 2, and we get the answer 18.8%. That will be the percentage of cytosine, and the percentage of guanine will be also 18.8%. The compounds that binds metal ions and capable of diffusing through membranes are known as, these are known as the ionophores. They are capable of diffusing through the membranes and they bind with the metal ions. In cell division, kinetochore helps in. Kinetochores help in attaching the chromosome with the spindle fibers in cell division. Lysosomes arise from or are produced by, these are produced by the Golgi apparatus. Nuclear pore were demonstrated in 1950 in amphibian oocytes by, these were demonstrated by Callan and Tomlin. The prophase of meiosis is distinct from that of mitosis. The main difference lies in the formation of bivalents by the homologous chromosome. These bivalents are formed in meiosis and are absent in case of mitosis. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next part. Until next time, goodbye.